welcome back to our channel, KASVENTURES. Today we are doing a special quarantine style video. As you know, we are all in quarantine right now, and unfortunately that means that we can't go out and travel. So we decided we're gonna try to bring the travel in to the inside of our kitchen.
So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna grill in our parking lot, but it's okay, we're still gonna make it work. We're gonna do a Tex Mex style grilling, and we're gonna show you guys how to do it so that maybe you can do it at home too. All right, so there's a very famous Mexican meat market here in Texas. It's called La Michoacana. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go buy some fajita meat, some ribs, poblano pepper stuffed with cream cheese, Mexican cheese, wrapped in bacon. We're gonna grill an onion.
I love onions.
We're gonna bake some zucchini, and it's just gonna be nothing but deliciousness.
And don't forget the tortillas.
Ooh, yes, the tortillas too.
Let's travel from your home into our home and our kitchen, and let's get grilling.
Welcome to Tex Mex Grillin.
Now, a little disclaimer, we're not professional grillers, we're not professional cooks. We're gonna do the best we can, like most of you guys are doing.
Hey, what'd you get?
Oh, we got everything. All
Alright, first up we are going to be cooking some zucchini. Now our grill is really small because we live in an apartment, but so we're gonna actually cook this in the oven. But if we had a bigger grill, these things would be on the grill as well. Alright, so we like our food a little spicy, so we actually use this hot slappy mama, and we season the zucchini. So we're just gonna pour that bad boy all over. Let me open it up a little more. And also, we'll put a little bit of butter on this too, just to get it even yummier.
Next, we're gonna do my famous butterfly onion. So what you do is, I saw this on YouTube once, you clean the outer skin first, take the bottom part off, and you do 8 slices, right? Don't cut it all the way down. And then what you do is, with your fingers, you just open it up. All right, and then what you do is, get a little bit of butter, tap, put it in the middle. You get some more of a sloppy mama again. We love this. Alright guys, up next we're going to do the poblano pepper. What we're going to do is we're going to cut the top part off. As you can see, we've already done one. We stuffed it with cream cheese and with Mexican cheese. Stuff it. Okay. Cut a piece off. And then with the knife, kind of just push it in there. And some cheese. Now we love cheese here in Texas. Now, I'm a huge fan of bacon, but my wife isn't. So, I'm gonna wrap my pepper with bacon. Okay. So what you do is, with these toothpicks, we're gonna do this. We're gonna place it right here. Wrap the bacon around the pepper. All right, now we're taking the Michoacana meat out. What they do is they marinate it. I really don't know what it is, but it is delicious. Look at this piece of meat. All right, it's the skirt. We're gonna cut it into pieces so we can share this. Okay, should be enough for both of us. Got the beef ribs. Okay, these are delicious too. These are my favorite. All right, right here, this is what I'm gonna eat. Bye. my little onion. final product. You got your tortillas, your poblano pepper wrapped in bacon, and your ribs and your skirt meat, the onion, the zucchini. Let's eat. Oh, for showsies.